So welcome to UMA Manufacturing and Packaging Unit. We are here to manufacture body care, bath care and skin care. We use 5000 year bag recipes and we use certified ingredients. At the same time we use aromatherapies and of course organic oils. So yeah, it's all about nature, it's all about organic things. So I think it should be a look at the side. This is the first part, loading and unloading area. Here we can the labor changing room. You can have the look. The labors, the staff came and they just got dressed into the perfect uniform of the area. And here, we transport the heavy load from this with the help of this particular lift. And here the pantry, the staffs or the employees or the laborers, we got the food from them. And here, this is the main and amazing, I should say, one of the fascinated area of manufacturing. These raw materials are all tested. So before we use the materials in use to make the product, we literally taste it in laboratory so that can serve you with the best and of course with the most amazing product like organic natural products. And you can check it out. This is a neutral henna without any color. We are all having the tested one, the raw materials. And this is Bringash. This is Shikakai. It's all a you can say semi-powder form. The smell is so mesmerizing, I have to say. Also, we can feel the nature, we can feel like we are somewhere not in Delhi. I can feel the vibe here. This is the neem leaves, and here we have amla. This is basically our storage, the raw material storage, so that we can use it whenever we need. And yes, at the same time, I again going to say that this is all tested materials. So here the production area, pulverizing area. Here we literally grind the materials. Let's have a look. Come on. So here we can check it out. The kind of a semi-powder form of henna. It's in a form of semi-powder, and we just put it into this, and after this we are having the air and water condition at the same time to make it more clear. So we just put it down here, and after that you can check it out here. There are two air bags. Separates the powdered form and the wastage one. This is the spare part. This is the dust and the things which are not required. So from there it literally separated into two parts, the fine powder form and here the wastage with the dust and all the unwanted materials got to this two air bags. You can check it out. This is the most convenient and technological updated one version, and this is effortless, and at the same time it really saves a lot of time. So here we have the refinery system. After getting the fine powder, we put it here. 50 kg is the maximum strength of this machinery, and here from here we got the fine powder form, the finest one, ready to use. We are having this machinery in which we add color, as I told you before, that according to the use, according to the generation, according to the environment, we put the colors here and we just mix it with the henna, the pure henna, finest powder form. This is a bigger way. For killing the microbes, we just put the hennas inside and we kill the microbes so that we can use the most finest and purest form. I have to say. So this machinery is used for sieving actually. To sieve the henna more fine, to make it ready to use, we use this machine. Henna powder, the final henna powder ready to use, and this is powder filling machine. We use this machine to reduce the manual work and at the same time to be more hygienic. So this is the procedure. We use it like this. Next packing is these. You can check it out. Aluminum pouches. This is very thick to avoid the moisture and humidity layer, to like literally make it more like safe and at the same time more fresh to use. So the final step to seal the aluminum pouches. So we do like this, and we got this seal aluminum pouches. Literally, this is very thick and very fresh to use. We would weigh this. You can check it out. 100 grams of henna powder, 100 packets in one carton, and after that the last ready to ship. Here, ready to ship. So here the next section. These are all raw materials for cosmetic products. They are organic and natural products. Can transform your skin, glowing one, smoothing one, and at the same time, healthy one. So here we go. Let me tell you, and these are the organic raw materials which use in multiple cosmetics like this body care, skin care, gel, respective lip balm, it depends on the product. Here, welcome to the next production section, which is all about cosmetics. You can check it out. Here, this is stainless steel drum, and we're using the neem to make the extracts. And let me tell you, extracts are multiple. They're having a multiple. We use it like while making soaps, while making creams, lotions. I mean, it's all about multiple. Here, we're having the oil extracts. We're boiling it in this stainless steel drum, and I think it takes 4 to 6 hours to like perfectly boil and transform into extracts here. So, and these are the transfer mixture for creams and lotions. We just thoroughly mix all the ingredients to make creams and lotions. Okay, so after all the procedure, I think one of the very important procedures, especially for the skin, is to maintain the pH level from extract to body care to shampoo and all the skin care, so that literally your skin should shine and at the same time it should be healthy because we care for you. So this is soap cutting and packing area. I think soap is all about good fragrance. Okay, so finally I'm in and the fragrance is killing me. So these are the bigger soap slabs, you can check it out. And after that we cut it into smaller slabs of soaps, and after that the soap bar of 100 grams here. Let me tell you, these all are organic, nature's favorite and very friendly to skin. You can have the glowing skin. So next process is the drying process. You can check it out, all the soaps, they are here to dry and feel free. So for that, for the drying purpose, we have this machinery called dehumidifier. It helps to dry the soaps. So here, liquid cream filling machine section. Come on. Yeah, it's all about lip balm. I think all ladies will love lip balm, especially chocolate flavors. Yeah. So here we are cleaning the jars to make it more hygienic again. And you can check it out. All the ladies are cleaning it in a very proper way. And here, welcome to chocolate lip balm's world. And these are all natural lip balm, no chemical, nothing. It's all about nature. You can check it out. And after filling this, I think it takes few minutes to take its form, like solid form. And after that, we use this topper to make it, of course, more prominent in the packing section. And we use that in have the look there. And here we use these caps to make it, more easy for the people. So after stoppers, we use this. So before starting our day, we all gather here, we all assemble here to discuss the goal of the day, and at the same time the employees, the rules and regulations of the manufacturing. And also some of the basic rules and regulations are to be clean, to be hygienic, to be very careful while using machinery. So at the same time, we also discuss your problem to be more friendly with staff and so here we are having the filling section, and first thing, check it out. You know, we always care for the hygiene, at the same time it should be very pure. So you can check it out. We are having these jars and we just clean it in a very technological way. So we make sure there should be no bacteria and it should be pure, because of course it's all about your health. So your health is very important for us, and that's why we use GMP and ISO certified all the packaging criteria as per the international standard. And this is the stainless steel drum, and we put all the liquid stuffs like moisturizers, like cream, like oils, like gel. And we are having two tunnels here. You can check it out. From here we can fill the bottles, capping the small jar. And I think this is sounding very cute. I think all the girls out there will like it, right? And all the boys. This is a gel, and it's organic, it's nature friendly, and it's your skin friendly at the same time. You should use it. Technological machine, you can check it out. This is called jar sealing machine, and here I put it this, and it just gets sealed, because sealing is very important to avoid the moisture, to avoid the humidity. At the same time, it's very convenient for the transportation. So we just have to put this jar, and eventually we can get this all labeled and ready to use. This is called shrink machine. We just use these kind of packets and we just put it here, and eventually we got this. This is you can check it out. It's slim, it's fancy, it's all about fragrance. It's a great, so I should say recommend it.